Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to access web pages embedded in Nexto Xpress series Altus controllers. We can do this access directly from our browser by putting the IP address of our PLC in the search bar. In this example it is 192.168.15.3. Press Enter. Now we have access to some information such as the PLC model, its description, the firmware version, the bootloader version, the controller's operating mode and the status of the application, which is in stop. We can also see the presence of any diagnostics active in the application, if there is any forced value and if there is any device connected to the USB port. Besides, we can select the PLC Management tab and check some options like firmware update, for example. The username is admin and the default password is also admin. Once logged in, we can select a firmware file to update the controller. Firmware can be downloaded directly from the Altus website. So, this was our 13th lesson for Nexto Xpress series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.